Hey everybody, I have got some absolutely amazing deals at Walgreens right now. I know I haven't mentioned it in a while, that's because the one nearest me closed down, but I will be heading out there today to pick up some of these items I'm showing y'all right now. If you are in need of laundry detergent, shampoo, drinks, food, stuff like that, then just keep watching. I've even got buy one get two free deals for y'all. And welcome back to my subscribers and my returning viewers. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, would you please consider subscribing? It is absolutely free and it would mean a lot to me, and I love to help you save money. Here is a super awesome cheap deal on Arm & Hammer laundry products. This is 4 for $10 on your liquid detergent, your pods, and your scent beads. You can mix and match any four for $10. Make sure you clip this $2 off of 4 digital coupon. We will pay $8 for 4 Arm & Hammer laundry products. That is one heck of a deal, y'all. $2 for some detergent. Ain't never heard of it. Y'all, next deal that I always love is the buy one, get two free complete home or Walgreens brand storage bags. These are our food storage bags. You can get freezer bags. You can get the quart size bags. You can get the zipping ones or just the pinch closure. You can always get the fold over sandwich bags, or they've even got the zipper sandwich bags. All of them are going to be $2.79 for 3 boxes. This is usually when I stock up. I will normally buy around 9 of them. I know that sounds insane, but then I really don't have to buy bags for the year. All right, y'all. So what you do if you do not have a My Walgreens account? It's free, absolutely free. Head to your phone's app store, type Walgreens in, download the app, then register your account with your name and phone number. And that phone number is what will be used to activate your coupons and deals at checkout. You will enter your phone number in the keypad, press enter, and then that's how we get the deal. So I just wanted to type this out step by step in case any of you are new to Walgreens. All right, y'all, we have got a $7 off of one Boost nutritional drink or drink mix. Currently, these are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So we can either get 1 pack of the Boost chocolate shakes for $4.99 with a $7 coupon, or we can go ahead, take advantage of the buy one, get one half off, and just pay $10.98 for 2 after that $7 digital. So it works out to be around $5.49 each when you buy 2, or if you just buy 1 multi-pack of Boost, it will be $4.99. All right, y'all, one of their deals of the week is buy 2, get 2 free on our 12-pack Canada Dry, Dr. Pepper, or Pepsi products. These are on our 12-pack cans. So we will pay $19.98 for 4 of them. So that ends up to be around $5 per box. Also this week, they've got buy 2, get 1 free on our Coca-Cola 12-pack cans. Now, this is going to be $19.98 for 3 12-packs. Y'all, our General Mills cereal is on sale too for $5, but we have a $1 digital off of any 2 boxes. So we will end up paying $4 for 2 boxes. So this week, we've got 4 for $3 on our Arizona single-serve tea or drinks. These are our 22-ounce cans. Or we've got 4 for $3 on our Arizona single-serve tea bottles. So either or, 4 for $3. Snapple is on sale 2 for $2.75. So after you buy 2, it's like paying $1.37 each. How about some free shampoo and conditioner? We've got the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends, 2 for $8 this week. And we've got an in-store offer of $3 in register rewards when we buy 2. Or if you prefer pickup orders like I do, you can earn 3 Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Now, notice my keyword buy. That means we can use Walgreens cash to buy these shampoo items and earn the Walgreens cash back. Here's a little cheat sheet. Okay, we're gonna buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo conditioner, or you can do the whole blends. It's either or, but you only earn Walgreens cash on one or the other, not both. All right, so then we're gonna subtract our $3 digital. That's $5. We're gonna pay $5 either with Walgreens cash or out of pocket, and we're gonna earn $3 in register rewards if you buy in store, or $3 in Walgreens cash if you do curbside pickup. That works out to be $2 for 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner, so $1 each. And if you're paying with the Walgreens cash to earn that Walgreens cash, basically free. You're only spending around $5 in Walgreens cash to get this product. All right, y'all, we've also got 3 for $10 on our 24-pack of nice purified water. That works out to be $3.33 each when we buy 3. Now, this you do not need a coupon for at all. You'll just need to enter your phone number at checkout. We can get our Dawn dish detergent in the 5.8-ounce bottle for 99 cents. This $2 off 1 Dawn Power Wash coupon. Now, Dawn Power Wash this week is on sale for $4.99 at Walgreens. So after this $2 digital is applied, we will only pay $2.99. Now, I know that isn't fantastic, but it's a lot better than $4.99. Now, here's my next favorite deal is the Bic razors. We've got $6 off of any 2. Currently, they are buy 1, get 1 half off, and buy 3, get 3 Walgreens cash. I'm grabbing 3 of the Bic disposable razors for men at $4.99 each. My subtotal is $12.47. Now, don't forget about that $6 digital we have. After our $6 digital comes off, that's $6.47. So we're going to pay $6.47, and then we're going to earn $3 in Walgreens cash right back, making 3 packs of those razors just $3.47 or $1.15 each. That is unheard of, y'all. Like, this is a super, super do it now kind of deal. I'm just upset I didn't share this until Wednesday, because this would have been nice to have on Sunday. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. I am not done going through Walgreens trying to find deals just yet. So let me know down in the comments if you like Walgreens, if you are more of a DG shopper, or if you will just shop anywhere there are sales, girl, because that is me. I will shop anywhere if there's a sale and a coupon. So let me know down below, and I thank you so much for sticking it out and watching this with me, guys. You mean the world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I shall catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.